Hi everyone, it's Nishant, and in this video I'll be taking a look at decision trees. So let's get right to it. Import our dependencies. Now we'll be loading the Iris dataset from sklearn.datasets. We've the defined the target as well as the columns. In this cell, in split our dataset into a train test and a test set, so we can measure its accuracy. So our split size here is going to be zero 0.8, and so that means so that basically means that the the size of the training set is going to be zero 0.8 times of the total data set size. So you can see here it's 120 rows. So that's 120 training examples, and these are completely randomly arranged. Okay. So here we load the decision tree classifier, fit it on the train X and the train Y. You can see these are the parameters. Now we are ready to make our predictions. The, Here are the predictions, and this is the actual test set. So you can see they are almost equal to each other. So this cell you can plot the tree. See here. So this is the decision boundary for each cell over here, and so the number of samples, as you can see, is going to get split as we go down. So if the condition is true, it would go to the left, whereas if it's false, it will go to the right. So basically, the reason why we can use a simple architecture like the decision trees for this data set is that, if you can see from this graph here, the decision boundaries are very easy to learn. But if you're doing something more complicated, it would be better off using a random forest or maybe a neural network architecture. So you can see the accuracy is pretty good. We have compared these two arrays here, and in order to find the accuracy, so that's 93.3, which is fine. Okay, so that's about it. If you think you've learned something new, you can hit the like